Hello everyone, my name is Salman Babu. I'm affiliated with the University of Udine, Italy and University of Agder, Norway. Today we are going to discuss a very important playlist that how to do the bibliometrics analysis. Bibliometric analysis are these days getting attention in the field of business management and economics when you are trying to do the literature review. In this video specifically, I'm going to discuss about a software, HisCite. HisCite is basically a bibliometric software that provide you different type of results that are useful for conducting reviews. In the bibliometric software, especially the HisCite, the most common problem the students face when they are trying to use the HisCite software is error adding input file. So basically, what is the input file here? In the bibliometric analysis, you collect data from Web of Science, and when you collect the data from Web of Science, you have to add that file as an input into the bibliometric software. So here I have added snapshots for you, but I will also show you practically that how you can finish this problem. The problem, which is called the fake path problem, when you try to enter the file, the problem will show you, number one, first of all, how to add a file. You have to go to the file icon of the software, click add, and then you will see this software. Here you have to click on browse and select the file location and click on add file. After doing this, you will see this error sometime, not every time, but sometime you will see this error. This is called the fake path error. If you see here, it's mentioned here, fake path error, no such file or directory exists. So if your computer and your software is showing this error, you cannot continue adding the file and looking at the results. So what you have to do, we have to resolve this error. There is a way which most of the researchers find difficult to resolve that error, and according to the HisCite manual, you have to follow some specific process. So let's have a look on this problem and how to solve this problem. We go and we open HisCite software. I open here HisCite. Obviously it's already recorded in my computer, so I just click on OK, and remember that when you're using the HisCite, keep this black window open. Okay, you don't need to do anything on that, and there will be a window you will see, it's in the Internet Explorer. And now you have already downloaded a file for adding here. If I click here file, as I shown you in my slides, I click here add, I click on browse. Okay, and already I have a location. You have to select the location where your file is available, and I click open and click on add file. So here you can see I am having a problem that the fake path is the problem this time, and I cannot continue working on the research, so I go back. Now I will let you know step by step how to resolve this problem. Okay, so first step you have to do, this is the complete process. Number one, you have to open the internet options of your computer. Okay, let's suppose we go, and then after going to internet options, internet options, what you have to do, you will see the internet options in the control panel. Go to your network center, you will see the internet options, and click on this. When you click on this, you will find this small window. Okay, this is the window which is available. It is called internet properties, and from the internet properties, the third step is to select the local internet. Here you have to select the local internet. From the local internet, you have to select these sites. Click on these sites. Okay, this sites is available here. If you click on the sites, you will see this window. So click on the site, and from the site click on advanced. When you click on the advanced, you will see this window. This is the window you will see here. And then what you have to do, if you see our first slide, there is an address mentioned here, http://127.0.001. You have to put this address into that place as an input. Okay, here we come again. When we click on advanced, you will see add the website to the Zoom. So you have to copy and paste, or you can write the address here. Okay, this is the address. You have to write this address here, click on add and OK, and then press OK and close it. So now we try again and we do this process. I show you in the video that how you can do it. So let's have a look. We go to control panel. Okay, first of all I go to control panel. If I go control panel, I can see here my network and task. Here I have you can show these things, internet options. Okay, as I explain you on my slides, here I have an internet options. Okay, if I go to internet options, the next step was to go to security. From the security, the third step, you have to select the local internets and plus sites. Okay, we are here in the local internets plus sites. I click on sites and it shows another window, and step by step we have to go to advanced. You have the place where you have to input that specific address. So let me copy that address from my slides. I copy this address from here, or you can type whichever you find it more easy, but make sure your address should be correct, otherwise it will be problem. Okay, it will not open again. So I click here and I paste. Okay, and I click on add. When I click on add, I close, I click OK, again I press OK, and now I have completed my work to remove the error. So let's have a look. If I start again from, I go to HitSite software, I go to file, add file, I repeat the same process again. Okay, let me do this, add file. I click on browse. Where is my file location? You have to select your file location, click on open and add file. So now you can see now what is your results, what is your data, you can easily see in the HitSite. So this was a short video to resolve the problem student most of the time face when they are using HitSite, and I hope so this video will be very much helpful for you to resolve this problem.